Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at the cordless glue gun from Parkside. The model number is PHPA 4C4 and we are going to test it out. This is a compact version and I'm curious to see how fast it will charge, but we are going to take a look at its design first. So it comes in one single piece. It doesn't have a detachable battery. Battery is internal, it's non-removable, but you can take this apart if you want to and replace the lithium-ion cell. This uses one single cell. They rate it for 4 volts and it has only one single button here to operate. In the box you are going to get also USB Type-C charging cable, and you also get a manual that has various instructions in several languages, and you get a few of these thin type glue sticks. I have already put one inside if you see it there.
The battery is right there, and it makes the glue gun to stay like this and have stability.
Yes, it brings a bit of weight here, so when you are not using it, not holding it in your hand, it can stay on the table pretty good. And now let's test it to see how fast it heats up to nominal working level. So I'm going to press this button here and hold it a bit, and now it flashes red and now it's working, it's heating up, and I have here the timer. So let's put them something like here, and in theory this should turn green like this when the nozzle here has reached the working temperature, which is very fast. But if I press now the button, you can see it already drips hot plastic. So it only took something like 25 seconds. Now it's 30 seconds already, but as you can see I get a proper amount of glue, so I can actually get a constant stream out of it, which is pretty amazing. Of course this is a tiny amount because this nozzle here is thin. It's not like on the other ones which are very thick, but nonetheless for jobs that require a bit of precision, this is very good because you have a more controlled amount of glue that you can put on, and as you can see it really works nice, so I can control the exact amount that I want to. And when you are not using it, because it's very thin, it's not dripping like crazy like on other ones.
And the cat, of course, was right there and right there, and yes.
Yes, it's very good that the cat didn't put her paws here, because it would have been stuck with hot glue. Right, to turn this off, it's now off, very simple to operate, and this LED also changes color when this thing remains without battery. It's going to get red and flash and similar stuff like that. It's all described here in the manual. To charge it, it's very simple. You put this in a phone charger, power bank or something like that, and it's going to charge the battery back up. So very simple to use, and also it works with very nice long sticks. So when one of them gets slow, you can use another one to push, but it will also work with shorter ones as you will going to push them one after the other.
And if you wonder, the spot where the cable comes is right there.
Also, the nozzle will remain hot for some time, so this is powered off and I can still operate it. I can still put some glue out, but the flow is of course lower right now, but I can still use it even when it's off. So if this thing gets too hot or it starts to melt too much glue, you can actually turn this off, save some power, and the flow will get lower. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, And until my next one, see you and
Bye bye.
bye bye.